Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a high protein vegetable salad perfect for summer. It's protein rich and full of fiber and will keep you satiated for a longer time. Into a bowl, I have already added 1 cup cooked chana and 2 tablespoons boiled green gram. I also chopped 1 cucumber, half onion, 1 grated carrot and 1 tomato. Now into the bowl, add in the tomato, carrot, cucumber and onion. And into that I am adding in some salt, 1 tablespoon chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves and squeeze in half a lemon. And for some gut friendly probiotics I am adding in 1.5 tablespoon homemade coconut vinegar. Yes, I know many of you requested for the recipe. I will try to share it as soon as possible. Instead of coconut vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar, but make sure you use the apple cider vinegar which has the mother, and also try not to use synthetic vinegar for this recipe. Now mix all this well. Serve the salad to a bowl, and I enjoyed this meal very much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do give a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.